Hey guys, Thomas here, Jaspy's Case Breaks. We've sold out 2022-23 Bowman University Best Basketball 2-box break. Random first letter of the first name, number 2. Chasing Kalen Clark and Wemby. We're also giving away 3 free spots tonight only, so good job to you guys filling that and taking advantage of those 3 free spots. All card ship, of course. Here's all the letters: A, B, C, D, E, G, P, F, H, J, K, L, and N, M, R, S, T, V, and W, plus C, plus all the other letters. So obviously, the ones we're chasing, the top 2 letters, because it's first letter of the first name. We're looking for C for Caitlin and V for Victor are the top 2. Alright, so that is going to be our break sheet. There's our dice roll. Here's our list of 13 names. Greg closing it out with the last 2. And we're going to go ahead and do this. And give away 3 free spots. 1 and a 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and a 1, 4. Fourth and final time here. Top 3 win an extra spot. Boom. 4 times. Chad, Steven, and Jordan. You guys just want an extra spot, which I will paste you guys right here. 1, 2, 3. We'll give you just a little slash so we know that's your free spot you guys just won. What can we fill quick? Send me a link. Alright, so I could go ahead and send you this. That's to our last spot. And that second link right there, that's down to 3 spots. Appreciate it, Chad. Alright, so we just gave away those 3 free spots. We got those right there. Let's go ahead and do the new dice roll now. We're going to randomize our list of 16 names and our 16 spots. New dice roll for it. 5 and a 6 for 11 times. Good luck, guys. 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. 5 and 6, 11. That's 10, 11th and final time. 11. We got Greg up to Steven. Alright, and same dice roll, 5 and 6, 11 times now for the letters. 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That was 5. That was 6. That was 7. That was 8. That was 9. Let's double check again. 6 and a 5, 11. That's 10, 11th and final time. Boom. 11. P and F up to D. I'm going to alphabetize it here. Steven with A and B. Jordan's free spot. Got him C. Wow. Steven with D. Chad with E and G. Greg with H, J, and K. Kevin with L and N. Jordan with M. Greg with P and F. Nancy with R and S. Chad with T. Jordan gets V and C. Good luck to Jordan. And Steven W, Z, plus all other letters. I'm going to pause the video for a couple minutes, open up a trade window, just a quick one. 2 minutes or so, and then when we get back, we'll print, we'll flip the camera, pick our boxes, and rip. And we are back. No trades were made, so same team or same letters to the same people. And we have 4 boxes in front of us left. I'm going to roll the dice. We're just going to pair these like that. 1, 2, 3 will be the left side. 4, 5, 6 will be the right. 4, we're going to use these right ones. The left ones will be for that last one. Let's get the ripping. 2 autos per master box. First mini box. Seth Trimble. Allen. There's Proctor on the die cut. Nice Kalen Clark refractor. Tyrese Proctor going to the T spot, and Chad, which that is his spot he won for free. Nice Caitlin and Kamari Lance. That's going to Jordan with the C spot. And he won that spot for free. That got him the C spot, which is crazy. Kai, Flip, Mike Miles, Arthur Coma purple, and Zach Edey refractor. That is 13 to 250 for Arthur. Going to the A spot, Steven. Zach Edey refractor going to the Z spot, which is also Steven. That's the spot he won. RJ Davis. Terry Morris flashing lights. And Jordan Hawkins silver. Ortega. Avery. Julian Phillips hardwood. And Trey White. Hardwood. Not hardwood. There's Hannah. Frankie. Tyrese Jackson Davis. Tyrese Hunter and Bryce. It's on the Sparkle, non-numbered. Should have auto here. There's Brandon Miller. That's Matis. Tyrese Hunter. Going to the M spot. And Jordan. That's not a bad one there. And Brandon Miller to the B spot and Steven. And let's get into that second mini. Aaliyah Boston. Let's go into the A and Steven. It's Manuel PJ. We got red here. Jackson Collier. 8 of 10. We got DeMar Langford. Jackson Collier going to Jay and Greg. Eight of 10. Rolling bets. Jalen Washington. Flip on the flashing lights and Chansey. It's going to K and Greg. Caroline, Tyrese Proctor, Wilson, Monda Beckcott, Roach. Oops, Mattis, Drew Timmy, Derek Lively, Oscar Scheibele. Let's go to the O spot. Which is Steven to all the other ones. Right. Auto time. KD, Chris Murray. Nice Kayshawn, Bartholomew, Oregon. And a nice Caitlin Clark silver. Here we go, Jordan. And that K spot is Greg. That's 21/25. Video of Trout at a hobby shop giving everyone a Series 1 blaster over 8K. My goodness. That's insane. I did not see that yet. All right, let's get into that second master box now. That's insane. Good for him, though. Seems like he's really into the hobby. I saw Jaden Daniels at a card shop, I think. There's Zach Edey, Hawkins. Is that Ace? Amari Bailey. Ace Bailey. Amari Bailey. Livingston, Caleb Love.
Bro, that was one box. Leaf was on steroids tonight.
Ace spots going to Steven.
Lagway, Air Nolan 101.
Trey White. There's Hannah. Hannah Cavender, 112 of 199. Going to the H spot and Greg. I'll take that. Caleb Love, Flashing Lights, DJ Horn. Jaden Shutt, Holmes, Brandon Miller. Nice. Wemby silver. It's been really good 2 boxes. 2 Caitlin Clark silver. Now we got a Wemby. Very nice. Dude's born January 4th. No way. January buddies. Going to the V spot and Jordan. And the B spot is Steven on the Brandon Miller. As well as Z going to Steven. Wow. What a Caitlin Clark sparkle. Non-numbered, but very nice. January 22nd. No way. 2 days before my birthday, Caitlin Clark was born. Gorgeous. Jordan's cooking here. Got C and V. Crazy. And is that a redemption? Redemption. Congratulations. You're due to receive best of 2022 autographs of Scoot Henderson. Okay, Scoot. Going to the S-Spot, Nancy. Very nice, Nancy. Congrats on the Scoot redemption auto. It still hasn't expired yet, too. Very nice. All right. Let's see if we get another pretty good auto in this second mini. Jared McCain. Going to Jay and Greg. Amari Bailey. There's Kyle Flip. Going to Kane Greg. That is 80 to 250. Leah Boston. Tyrese Proctor, Flashing Lights, Adam Flagger. Three more. Silver Kyle Flip and Jordan Walsh. Cam Whitmore, Neon Pink. The other one wasn't pink, was it? No, the other one was blue. Non-numbered. And auto. C. Wemby or Clark. And there's Clark there. Jeez. 2 boxes, 4 Caitlin Clarks. There's been a Caitlin in every mini box. Crazy. Crazy. Let's hit that bottom card. Kiki Rice, silver. Nice. Haley Cavender. Going to H and Greg. There we go, Greg. All right, let's do a quick recap. I mean, pretty solid 2 boxes. Couple nice Caitlin Clarks, nice Wemby. Haley Cavender auto. There's a Clark. Flip to 250. Scoot auto, redemption. Nice Clark Sparkle. Wemby silver. Hannah Cavender. They're twins. That one's to 199. Amari Bailey. Kayshawn Silver Clark. Jackson Collier to 10. Leah Boston. Mattis Auto. Zach Edey Refractor. Arthur Clark Refractor there. And Tyrese Proctor. Well, 3 Clarks. I forgot Wemby was 1. Oh, 4. I was right. Very nice break there. That was Bowman's University Best 2-box number 2 of random first letter of the first name. Appreciate it, guys. I will see you in the next video.